Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn on the switch to speaker automatically in Android, step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the notification shade. Step 2. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu and select Additional Settings. This option may vary slightly depending on your device, but it should be towards the bottom of the list. Step 3. Once you're in Additional Settings, look for and select Accessibility. This section contains features designed to improve usability for all users. Step 4. Click on Vision, then scroll down to the Experimental section. Here you'll find the option to switch to the speaker automatically. Tap this switch to enable it. This feature allows your device to switch to speaker mode when you move it away from your ear during calls. Please note that this feature works only when TalkBack is turned on. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.